We're going to show you how to install and print using legal size paper on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer. For the input tray number 2 over here, you can actually install legal size paper. First, remove the paper in the tray. Next, in order to install legal size paper, you need to press on this blue button over here. Press and push the tray out. This will extend the tray. Get a stack of legal size paper and load it in as shown. You may need to use the paper guides and push it to the side. Use the paper guides such that it just touches the legal size paper. Then push back the tray. The legal size paper is now loaded. You will notice that the tray does not go all the way in. This is normal when you have legal size paper loaded in the tray. Next, we will show you how to print a legal size document to this printer. So from the Word document, go to Layout and select Size to be legal size. We'll create a 4-page legal size document. So this is a 4-page legal size document that we have created. So let's go to File, Print. Make sure that the printer is the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer. We'll print on both sides, and you can see that it is a legal size document. Select Print. So this is a two-sided legal size document that was printed, page 1 to page 4. So this is how you load and print a legal size document to the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer, and we have shown you how to print it two-sided.